I'm about to harvest some eggplants. It's going to be for dinner. This is our little eggplant patch. They are Lebanese, I think, Lebanese eggplants, and we planted them from seed. We have 1, 2, 3. The fourth one is back there, which I already harvested in a previous video. You might notice that a lot of the fruit are already green. This means that it has been under the sun for very long, and that's why the chlorophyll has started to kick in. So I have a nifty little basket. We'll try to harvest a few of these, maybe just 1 or 2. This and this one high. And then we are going to harvest. Have a look at this eggplant here. We went on a weekend trip, and I told myself before then I would prop this up, but it was too heavy by that time. So I may as well lighten the load and pick some of the fruit here. Look. 1. Francis says 4 if you didn't hear it. 2. 3. Look, they're nice and firm heart. Even this one. They're both nice and firm, but like you said, we're going to see how this one tastes compared with the regular eggplant. Or most everything, and then we'll just give away the rest. Yeah. Look at this one. I learned that the reason why this one has partly green or looks more brown now, and partly this one, because this one is facing the sun and it produced more chlorophyll than this side over here. So eventually I was just looking at the bird and another bird there. Anywho, we'll try to pick the rest. But look, there are flowers still coming up. Now we're in the start of autumn. Not really start. We're already in the 3rd week of autumn. And I'm hoping that these ones will still produce fruit. After I get the fruit from here, tomorrow I'll just put some supports so that it will grow a little more. Is that enough, or we'll pick some more? Okay. Look. Even these? Yeah. This is just one plant. Oh, yeah, there are heaps here. Huh. It's a nice feeling to realize that these plants over here, I planted from seed. It's a real nice feeling of satisfaction when you are able to reap what you sow. Where, Heart? Here? This one? Oh, here. Look.
The brown one.
This one.
Okay.
Wait, I think I'll get this one as well. Maybe not.
Give it away.
And let's have a look at the other plants.
Look
at all of these so far. Look, so many. There are about 15 of them. And this particular plant, most of them are now not really brown. They're kind of greeny brown. Yellow green, look. They're different shade. We'll test this and see how they taste. Those ones can wait.
Very big one.
Where? This one?
And the one below it. Lavender.
Oh, yeah. Look at all these. Going to pick a little more. This one.
There was one outside. Outside the perimeter.
This one. It's small. They're cute and small. This is all the eggplants I picked today. There are still a few more here, but we'll just leave them. So far, like what we said, these ones we're going to test how they will taste compared to the nice light lavender ones that are starting to become green or yellow-green. And the nice purpley ones, of course, that's going to be for dinner tonight. More videos to come from my garden. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.